In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses paid using owner's personal funds in QuickBooks Online. This is perfect for those moments when the business owner covers a cost out of pocket and you want the books to reflect the expense without touching the company bank account. Recording it correctly keeps your financial reports accurate and makes tax time smoother. First, head to the Expenses and Pay Bills area. This is your home base for tracking what the business spends, whether it was paid from a bank account, a credit card, or, in this case, by the owner personally. In the Expenses section, you'll see a list of past transactions so you can stay organized and consistent. Next, open Expense Transactions. This view focuses specifically on your expense entries. It's helpful to start here so you can quickly confirm you're adding the right type of transaction and keep everything in one place. Click New Transaction to create a fresh entry. You're telling QuickBooks you want to record something that has already been paid, not a bill you'll pay later. From the drop-down, select Expense. This is the right form for a purchase that's complete and needs to be captured in your books, as opposed to a bill you intend to pay in the future. Select the payee. Choose the vendor or person who was paid. This ensures your vendor history is accurate and makes it easier to track spending by supplier over time. In Payment Account, choose Owner's Equity or Owner Contribution. This is the key step. By using an equity account, you're telling QuickBooks the owner funded this expense personally. It keeps your business bank balance unchanged while still recognizing the cost in your profit and loss. If you're unsure which equity account your company uses, it's a good idea to confirm with your accountant so everything aligns with your setup. Enter the expense category, amount, and date. Pick the expense category that best fits the purchase, like supplies, utilities, or travel, so your reports stay meaningful. Enter the exact amount paid and use the date the purchase happened. Accurate dates help with month-end reporting and taxes. If your region requires sales tax tracking, make sure the amounts reflect that as appropriate. You can also use the description or memo area to note that the owner paid personally, which helps anyone reviewing the books understand the context. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded properly, the company bank account remains untouched, and the owner's contribution is reflected in equity. That's how to pay expenses with owner funds in QuickBooks Online.